Welcome. If you want to add friend or just send request to the friend to someone in the League of Legends Wild Rift, just check it out. You have to click right here on the friend list and then tap here. And what you have to do, Riot ID name plus tag. And what is this tag? It is, of course, the name of the server that we are actually playing. So just simply just type the nick. I would like to send request for this guy, Kovadis. This is his nickname. And after that we have to add the hash and type AUS because I'm playing on the West Europe server, and if you are playing on the NA, you are just typing other things right here, so NA, something like that. And you are playing on the Nordic, you type EU Nordic and then sending the request, but just go for the EU Europe West and click OK. And you can see different requests was sent. But when we try to do it without this server tag and just inputting the nickname, there's the notification that we have to please enter full Riot ID. So that's how we can send requests or add friend to the League of Legends Wild Rift. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.